Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring both devices are current. Update your Studio Display firmware and Mac OS on the MacBook Pro. Once done, pick the correct cable. A Thunderbolt 3 or 4 cable is required because it carries video, audio, power, and data. Make sure not to grab a USB-C video-only cable. That will fail. Now plug the Thunderbolt cable into the Studio Display's Thunderbolt port and then into a Thunderbolt port on your MacBook Pro, observing the connector orientation as you seat it firmly. Once the cable is connected, look at your MacBook Pro for a trust or allow prompt and tap allow if it appears. This enables control and firmware communications. Next, open System Settings and go to Displays. Arrange the Studio Display relative to your built-in screen, choose a native resolution or scaled option for sharpness, and pick the correct color profile for accurate color. Also, go to Sound and set Studio Display as the output so audio plays through its speakers, and confirm microphone selection if using the built-in mic. You finish by verifying everything. The display shows Mac OS Desktop, Touch or Tilt works, and the MacBook is charging from the display if applicable. If you see no image, first reboot both devices, reseat the Thunderbolt cable, and try a different Thunderbolt port on the MacBook to rule out a bad port. If problems persist, reset the Mac's SMC and NVRAM because that clears many power and display negotiation faults. After that, test again and contact Apple support only if the issue remains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.